I think this change in ownership compared to the Butterfield Fulcrum merger, which had a high impact, I think, on the clients, this ownership change really has no impact on our clients. There will be no change in the technology being used, the processes being employed, the client-facing staff on each account, no changes whatsoever. The only change really comes at the top, at the most senior management level, and to be quite honest, those are positive changes. The senior management team in place with Butterfield Fulcrum today is well versed and well acquainted with the new ownership and management, and I think that will do nothing but play positives for the overall client base. But directly to the clients, no changes, like I said, in anything that they see coming from us in terms of client delivery. Well, the state of the hedge fund industry itself is very positive, especially in comparison, obviously, to a year or two ago. The crisis is over. Capital is returning in maybe even a higher pace than people expected. The managers are performing better, performance is coming back. People are re-achieving their high watermarks. And even in quarter four, arguably might be the strongest quarter in terms of capital return to the industry in 2010 than any other quarter in history. So things are very positive for the hedge fund space. In my opinion, I think there would be some that would argue that it quite hasn't reached the strength level it was at. But from what we can tell and what we can see with our client base, very positive. You know, returns are up, capital keeps coming in, and that's great to be a fund administrator in that environment. Indeed, in 2010, Butterfield Fulcrum created and built a managed account platform, more of a quasi-managed account platform, dealing with legal setups, back office, middle office work, risk reporting for managed accounts. It wasn't a true managed account platform in that there was no investor selection, investment selection, portfolio management. With the new ownership coming into Butterfield Fulcrum, the focus for the firm is not going to be on managed accounts, and we will not be continuing with Altinus. It never truly launched, there are no clients on it, and our focus needs to be on fund administration and our fund administration clients. We don't need to be, and I don't think would be successful in trying to penetrate a market that is already well serviced with long-term firms in it, and to be quite honest, not our specialty, not our strength. So we will not be continuing to pursue managed accounts in any way. The reason we won't continue on with the Altinus platform is, number one, we don't want to compete with our current clients. Number two, we don't want to try to penetrate a sector within the alternative asset space that already has plenty of players and plenty of strength within it, and really truly is not our specialty or our strength.